Hello viewers, today I will be talking about the expressions which are used to discuss the eating etiquettes in the Shina language. So the first sentence is, what did you cook today? What did you cook today? In Shina it can be called as Ashyek Veganu. Ashyek Veganet. Yeah, Ashyek Veganu. If you are asking from a single person in active voice, Ashyek Veganu. Ajek vegan, it's a little bit passive voice. Ajek veganu, ya ajek veganet. What did you cook today? Ajek veganu. The next sentence is, we cooked beef, vegetables, rice and chicken today. We cooked beef, vegetables, rice and chicken today. Bes ash glomos sha briu ga Shabriuga Karkamush Veganes. Bes ash glomos Shabriuga Karkamus Veganes. Bes ash glomos Shabriuga Karkamush Veganes. Bes means we or us. Ash means today. Glomos means beef. Sha means vegetable. Brew means rice. Karkamush means chicken. Veganus means to do something, to cook something, to do something, anything. Bes ash glomos sha brew gakarkamus veganus. Gakarkamush veganus. Next sentence is, what do you like? Tujek rakthenu. Tujek rakthanu. If you are talking in central Gilgit city dialect, it can be tus ye krakthenu. While in Bogroti and the surrounding areas have a dialect, tus ye krakthanu, tus ye krakthanu, tus ye krakthenu, both are correct. Please bring me one plate of beef and one plate of vegetables. Please bring me one plate of beef and one plate of vegetables. Mat patik mozga Shawale. Mat patik mozga shawale. Mat means for me. Patik means a plate of. Moz means meat. Sha means vegetable. Wale means bring. Mat patik mozga shawale.